Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. So I just thought to make a video on the anatomy of the skull by using a 3D model so that it will be much more easier to understand. So I have added a picture of a labeled human skull on my first introduction slide, and I will describe it later. So what is human skull? Skull is the skeleton of head, and it is also called cranium in anatomical term, and it consists of 22 bones. So how many parts of skull? So the skull is divided into two parts by a series of bones, neurocranium and viscerocranium. What is neurocranium? Neurocranium is a bony case surrounding the brain. The membranous coverings meninges and cranial nerves. It is formed of 8 bones: 1 frontal bone, 2 parietal bones, 2 temporal bones, 1 occipital bone, 1 sphenoidal bone, and 1 ethmoidal bone. So a total of 8 bones make up the neurocranium. So what is viscerocranium? Viscerocranium is a facial skeleton and comprises of the facial bones, and it is made up of 14 bones: 2 zygomatic bones, 2 maxillary bones, 2 nasal bones, 2 lacrimal bones, 2 palatine bones, 2 inferior concha, and 1 mandible and 1 vomer makes up the viscerocranium. So a total of 14 bones make up viscerocranium. In this video, I will only show up the aspects of cranium superficially, not in detail, because it is a very wide topic and every aspect should be described separately, and it is in very detail. So I will only show up the names and the sides which are called accordingly. So there are 5 aspects of cranium: facial, lateral, posterior, superior, and inferior. So I just named the 5 aspects of cranium thoroughly. The facial or the anterior aspect, which I am showing right here, and the hand on your screen, you can see this one was the facial side or anterior side. Now I have rotated it to its lateral side or a side view of the skull. It is called the lateral aspect of human skull. Then I am rotating it posteriorly, and this side is called the occipital aspect or the posterior aspect of human skull. The hands showing you right now, and I'm rotating it now upwards. This side is called the superior aspect of human skull. Now I will try to rotate it inferiorly. So I have mentioned the 2 types of inferior aspect. One is the external view of the inferior aspect and the internal view. This video is showing you up the external aspect of inferior view. So this is all about today's topic. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for daily notifications. Thank you.